Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about DoorDash scam promotion. So recently I got an email from one of my subscribers, Smiles for Miles. Thank you so much for emailing me about this and making this video possible. And he wanted to talk about a new promotion that is taking place in his market, which is giving the same energy as Pizza Fridays, but without the pizza. So with that said, we are talking about everything that is being said in his email, what he's saying versus how it actually is, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain is never intended to be legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that everything that we're going to be going over is very market to market and case by case of what applies to me and my market or Smiles market or any of the markets that happen to be mentioned throughout the video may not apply to you. So with that said, let's get started. Hello again, this Smiles for Miles. I wanted to share a DoorDash scam promotion. I believe it's a scam. Right now in my marketplace, DoorDash is offering a promotion via McDonald's. Deliver 6 orders and get a 10-piece McNugget. Catch is, you will have to order through the app. No option to pick up. When I was trying to retrieve my 10-piece, I went into the app. Lo and behold, I have to pay all the standard fees to get my promotional nuggets. I feel like this is such bull. Let me know what you think. Thank you, Smiley, Gig Life Driver. First off, the fact that there is a promotion to where you can receive a benefit, and that benefit is just an opportunity to give them back the money you earned is disgusting, in my opinion. That's like having a corporate, like, Pizza Friday situation. Say you're getting free pizza, but you have to pay for the table and the plates and everything. Like, what's the point of that? What a way to destroy morale. Like, you're only offering a promotion under the guise that you're just gonna have to pay them the money you offered them. Now, let's say you did have the option for pickup, because Uber does have a similar system for 7-Eleven, or at least they did for a period of time. You could pick up from them, but at the end of the day, you'd still be losing money because I think they put it behind the Pro Rewards program, and now that the acceptance rate is what it is on the Pro Rewards program, it just isn't good anymore. Wouldn't this get hit with small order fee or things like that? If I'm driving around doing those orders anyway, why would I want to get it delivered at home? That makes no sense. Oh, and let's also not forget DoorDash's standard practice where they'll have you hit 5 orders and then give you only trash from there. I'm actually shocked that you even managed to get this. Imagine if they throttled you at the end and now you have the opportunity to give them your money. Like, now it's a privilege for us to use the service. The problem with this service is that because the service is literally what we do, we can't really use it. Or at least it wouldn't make sense for us to use it. Great example of this is if I do 3 orders on DoorDash and then I place an order on DoorDash and it's worth the 3 orders I did. Why would I do that? That's 3 orders that I just shoved into one I could have just gotten myself. After all, I was out there already. Although then again, I remember there were times where people were saying that they don't like shopping in the grocery store they work at, or even banking at the bank that they work at. I used to work at a bank as well, and sometimes I would speak to branch managers and say, I would never do business in a place I work at because I don't want them to see what I'm doing. And I 100% agree with that personally. Either way, if you guys have any other thoughts you'd like to add to this, make sure to comment them below or email me at drivenwyld@gmail.com. And who knows, maybe you'll get a shout out in a video as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time.